going to discuss about a chapter for practical geometry. When two diagonals and three sides are giving at that time how to construct a quadrilateral. So here question, construct a quadrilateral. Lift LIFT, lift LI equal 4 centimeter, IF equal 3 centimeter, TL equal 2.5 centimeter, LF equal 4.5, IT equal 4 centimeter. In this way measurements are given. 2 are diagonal value and the remaining 3 are the side values they giving. So rough diagram drawing time. Here suppose quadrilateral means 4-sided figure, we call it as a quadrilateral. So 4 side means in this way 4 side. Here lift usually we write to means L I F T. First you check it. L and I carrying number is there or not, measurement is there or not. Yes, Li value is given. How much? 4 centimeter. Then next you decided one point. Which point? F point we want to construct. How to construct F point? L and F value related measurement is there. Yes, LF value is there. Next I and F related value is there or not? That also there. Is there or not? Look in time. IF value is how much? 3 centimeter. Using that two measurement we can draw the arc. That two arc intersecting point we can mark an alphabet or a point F. So here then afterwards L to F joining and I to F joining. LF value is how much? LF value is 4.5 centimeter. Li value is 4 centimeter. IF value is 3. Half of the quadrilateral complete. Remaining half of the quadrilateral. In the remaining part, which point is remaining there? T point. Lift spelling LIFT. T point is remaining. The T point how to construct? Once you check L and T carrying measurement is there or not? Yes. TL measurement is there. How much? 2. So 2.5 centimeter. Take in your compass. Draw an arc. Next value search it. I and T carry. Yes, I and T carry measurement is there. How much is the force? So 4 centimeter take I as and draw second arc. Both two arc intersecting point we give the alphabet as T. Then T to L and T to F join in time we get a quadrilateral. This is the rough sketch. Rough sketch there. This is and L to T and I to T joining. IT value is 4 centimeter and Li value is how LT value is how much? 2.5 centimeter. See here 2 diagonal and remaining 3 are the measurements there. Side values are given there in this way. So construction, how to construct this one? First we started, we decided Li comes as a baseline. So Li value is how much they gave? 4 centimeter. So we take 4 centimeter in our 4 centimeter. We take in a scale 0 to 4 centimeter. 0 to 4 centimeter. Then mark it as L and I. 4 centimeter marking. Next our aim is to F point. F point how to construct? Check it on the measurement. L and F value is there. Yes, L and F value is there. How much they gave? 4.5. So 4.5 0 to 4.5 measurement take in our compass. L as center. Draw an arc like this. Next I and F value is there. Yes, IF value is given in the question. How much measurement? 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter take in your compass. I keep as I keep as a center and draw an arc like this. So these two arc intersecting point is a required, which is a required alphabet. Our aim is to construct which point, F point. So there you mark a letter F. Then joining L to F point joining. L to F distance is how much? L to F distance 4.5. So that measurement right 4.5. Then next I to F measurement join. I to F or IF value is how much they are given in question 3. So their values mark it as 3. So half of the diagram completed. Remaining part is that 4-sided figure we call, or 2 triangle join in time we get a quadrilateral. So second triangle we need how to construct a remaining value. Next which point is missing there? T point. LIF T is the lift spelling. T point missing. So T point we want to construct. How to construct? Our baseline line point are L and I. That's why L and T carrying a measurement is there. Yes, L and T value they are given in the question. How much? 2.5. So 2.5 centimeter take in our compass. 2.5. Where we keep our compass? L as center. 2.5 arc draw. Then next next baseline point is I. I and T carrying point is there, measurement is there or not? Yes, I and T measurement is given there. How much? 4 cm. So 4 centimeter take in your compass. Then I as center, keep I as center, 4 cm. Not touching means adjust. That means previous arc adjust and 2.5 centimeter arc adjust and try to touch. So now it will become both arc will touching there. The two arc intersecting point mark an alphabet which is a required alphabet. T is the required alphabet. Mark the point as T. Then L to T joining. L to T joining and I to T joining. We get a chord. Then simply F to T are simply join. We get a quadrilateral diagram. This is the, so L to T distance is how much? 2. Measurement must measurement right. And I to T measurement how much? 4 centimeter. All measurement must. So we in this quadrilateral 2 diagonal and 3 sides are given. Using that measurement we construct a quadrilateral. I hope you can understand this. First question. Next we go through second question. In second question, here see next one is construct a quadrilateral GOLD. G-O-L-D. Alphabet to see G-O-L-D. These are the alphabets. OL value is 7.5. GL value is 6 centimeter. GD value is 6 centimeter. LD value is 5 centimeter. OD value represent as 10 centimeter. First we draw the rough sketch. Rough sketch draw in time in this way quadrilateral. Later we can decide which alphabet comes as base. For suppose a GOLD spelling G-O. G and O mark here means once you search in the measurement, G-O carry measurement is given or not in the question. G-O carry. Why? Because base we just be considering is it possible or not. Once we check GO carry not there. That's why GO not starting with the GO. Here GOLD right in time GOLD is the GOLD spelling. Each vertex like that. GOLD. GO carrying measurement not there means GO side which is the opposite side of GO. DL is the opposite side. So then check it. DL carrying value is there or not. Yes. LD or DL carrying value is the how much of I said. That's why here baseline you consider it as a LD line. LD line mark how much we want to take a 5 not GO. Why? Because GO carrying a measurement is not there. That's why we can't able to start with baseline GO. So now we going to identify and start with which is our baseline. LD is the baseline. Next we now next our aim is where here coming GOLD. Here G coming. GO is our opposite side. So G here, O here. The LD gold in this way come. Then next which first our aim G carrying that means L and G carrying measurement is there or not. Why? Because first our aim is to construct G point. G point is simply not a construction. Two arc intersecting time only that point will get in them. That's why our aim is to construct a arc. So L and G carry, yes, L and G carry, see 6 centimeter is there. So from L 6 centimeter take, draw an arc, first arc completed 6 centimeter. Next D and G measurement is there, yes, G and D measurement is there, that also how much 6 centimeter. Again 6 centimeter take inner compass, D are center, opposite arc. Now two arc are intersecting, that intersecting point we mark on a required alphabet G. So G point construction completed. Next which point we need O point construction. O point how to construct? O carrying alpha, that means baseline is L and D are the baseline alphabet. L and O carrying value is there or not? Once we check, yes, OL value is there. How much? 7.5. So 7.5 centimeter take and draw first arc. Then next second baseline alphabet is D. D and O carrying measurement is there or not? Yes, OD is the 10 centimeter. So 10 centimeter take, so, and D are center, draw second arc, both arc intersecting point mark on required alphabet O. Then joining time we get here O to D and here all values joining time. In this way quadrilateral will come. That means G LG measurement how much we take 6 centimeter and DG measurement also 6 centimeter. Yellow measurement we take it as 7.5 centimeter and DO measurement is 10. So like this way measurement take it. So we understand that GL and OD are the diagonals, remaining 2 or 3 are the sides measurement. So we go, this is the rough sketch. Using this rough sketch we go and construct the original quadrilateral. So start with which alphabet? L and D. LD value is how much? 5 centimeter. LD. So we start with 5 centimeter. Take out a scale 0 to 5 centimeter. Take 0 to 5 centimeter. Take and 0 to 5. Mark it as L and D. How much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next our aim G point construction. For G point construction baseline point are L and D. L and G carrying value is how much? 6 centimeter. That's why we take 0 as center and 6 centimeter take 0 center and 0 to 6 measurement take and L as center and 6 centimeter arc draw. Same way D and G carry measurement. Why? Because second our alphabet is baseline, second alphabet is D. D and G carrying alphabet is the measurement is there. Oh yes, that also 6. There also 0 to 6 take where we keep our compass D as center, draw the second. Not touching means that one adjust and mark that. So adjust not touching means they adjust the previous one, draw, extend and try to. Now see both are intersecting. That intersecting point represent as which alphabet? G alpha, required alphabet G. Then G to D joining how much centimeter? 6 centimeter. G to L joining how much centimeter? That also become 6 centimeter. So half of the or half first triangle construction completed. One more triangle is there. Then only 2 triangle join in time we get a quadrilateral. Second triangle how to construct next which point remaining there? L, D, G, O point is needed. Why? Because our quadrilateral name as a gold. The L is there, D is there, G is there. O point. O carrying here baseline alphabet is L is there. first alphabet is L. So L and O point measurement is there or not? Yes, in question O and L carrying measurement is how much? 7.5. So using scale 0 to 7.5 measurement to take first 0 to 5 centimeter. Where we keep our compass? L center. Draw L center. How much centimeter? 7.5 centimeter arc draw like this way. Next D and O carry measurement is there or not? Yes, 10 centimeter. Next 10 using compass 10 centimeter 0 to 10 centimeter measurement to take. Where we keep our compass? D as center. Opposite arc draw. D as center. Then see both arc are intersecting. That intersecting point mark our required alphabet O. Then joining O to L. O to L, how much is our measurement? OL measurement is 7.5. So immediately that measurement also right, 7.5 centimeter. Next, which line we joined? OD line. OD line is how much we took? 10 centimeter. So O to D line joining, their measurement mark it as 10 centimeter like this way 10. Then simply O to G joining, we get a quadrilateral. Which quadrilateral? Gold. G-O-L-D. Gold. See, this is our quadrilateral. In this way construction. The second question is this one. I hope you can understand this second question. Next we go through third question. Third question is construct a quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral name as rhombus. Rhombus. Bend is the B-E-N-D. Spelling is B-E-N-D is the bend. Two measurement only given. B-N equal 5.6 centimeter. D-E is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Here we start with the diagonal. Which is our diagonal? D-E comes as our diagonal. So we start with the diagonal DE. So how to start here? In which way means rough diagram is in this way. Rough diagram, first we start with the DE point. How much centimeter? 6.5 centimeter. Then afterwards here other measure B and not B, where B point we don't know. Then where we keep our compass? N point also we don't know. So B and value is given there. Where we keep our compass? That two alphabets are unknown there. So next process, what we want to do here is to draw a perpendicular bisector for DE line. DE line is how much? 6.5. More than half take and draw a perpendicular. More than half means like this. More than half. Draw take and draw the perpendicular bisectors. Then that perpendicular bisector where it cutting the two arc are joined with a straight line. Then that perpendicular line you can give name as a P. Here mark it as a Q. Okay. Then next process, our BN value is given. How much? 5.6. BN value. How that one take means half of 5.6 take. Half of 5.6 means half how to find out divided with 2. 2 table 5, 2 times 4, subtract 1 decimal point 6, 16 means 2.8 is the half of 5.6 become 2.8. That 2.8 take in our compass, draw the arc where here this perpendicular cutting point mark on any alphabet we can give name as M, keep N as center, 2.8 centimeter arc draw. Same way downwards also, M as center, downwards also 2. Then this arc joining part 2.8 centimeter arc and perpendicular intersecting part our required alphabet we can mark it as here downwards we mark it as B, E, N, D. So we join in time, we get the rhombus shape. Rhombus specialty all sides measurement. Now we get as how much all sides measurement become equal only. So in this way diagram will coming there. This is the rough sketch. This is our rough sketch. Here to here distance 2.8. Here to M2 this side B distance represent 2.8 plus 2.8 to become how much? 5.6. That's why M1 distance how much they gave in the question? 2.8 plus 2.8 adding time 5.6. So BN here B2N distance it is clear only it become how much? 5.6. So using this measurement we start. How to start? First we start with which measurement? DE measurement. D is how much? 6.5. So take out here a scale and a 5.6 measurement take using scale 5.6 0 to 5.6 measurement 6.5 5.6 no 6.5 measurement take. Then there you mark which alphabet? D and E alphabet. How much centimeter? 6.5 centimeter. Like this way draw. D and E point measurement 6.5. Then next how much what we want to do? Draw the perpendicular bisector. How to draw? Here how to draw means more than half. More than half means in this way, more than half. In this way we take. No, this is full measurement, not full, half. More than half. More than half of that line. Draw an arc up, down. Up and down. Same way, E as center, opposite arc, up, down. Like this way, up and down. D as center, down, up, down. E as center, opposite arc, up and down. Two arc intersecting point joined with a straight line. Where they are intersecting, that two intersecting point joined with a straight line like this. That then both side arrow, they are a line only. That's why both side here also arrow mark, here also arrow. Then give name. Top part we can give another name P. Here down part another name Q. P and Q we give this part as here. Then this perpendicular intersecting B or cutting our BE line, that part we can give an alphabet as M. So MP is a ray and MQ is another ray. MP and MQ are another two rays are there. Then next our aim is to make a BN point on this perpendicular. How to make take a half of 5.6. 5.6 is given. Half of 5.6 to become, already we found how much? 2.8. So using scale and compass 2.8 centimeter take 2.8 centimeter clearly take. M as center, draw an arc. Where to mark arc? On the top of the top ray. Same way, the same measurement, M take and draw second arc. Where to mark? Down of the second arm. First arm, MP place 2.8, same way MQ place also 2. This distance is 2.8 centimeter, this distance is 2.8. That arc and perpendicular intersecting point you can give this down part we can give a B and top part we can give a N. Then joining. In which way joining? E to N points are joining and D to N points are join. Then next B to D, B point to D point are joining. Same way B to E points are joining. This is our rhombus. In this way construction. So measuring them D to N and N to E are equal measurement. D to B and B to E are equal measurement. Rhombus special to all sides because how much equal measure. That's why we can say DE is a diagonal. How much is in this question they given not sides value. They given two diagonals value. Which are the two diagonal? B BN and DE are the two. That's why here BE is the diagonal and BN is the second diagonal value only they given. Side value not given. That's why in this way we done the perpendicular bisect drawing and we done this question. So I hope you can understand. The next class 4.3 exercise. Thank you.